So ayan mga tropa, ito nga pala yung dalawang kagrupo natin, Promise Mix, Taguig, saka Manila. Yan, kilala nyo to. Comment below kung kilala nyo siya. Okay, welcome back mga katropa. Meron na naman tayong bago. Pero bago yan, salamat dun sa mga subscriber natin. 103 subscribers. So, sana madagdagan pa. Alam ko madagdagan pa. So, bago yan, shoutout nga pala kay Sir Arnie, ang Lalamove rider natin na nagdi-deliver ng mga produkto natin. Bago natin produkto is eto. Underneath R3 integrated taillight. So iba na to doon sa nauna kong LED taillight, kasi yung LED madalas napupundi. Itong integrated, so mas matibay to doon sa LED. And then yung dati natin naggawa na Z1000, actually ito po yung nauna. Ito po yung nauna, pero LED yung nilabas ko, hindi integrated. Ito yung nauna at lumabas sa iba. Ito yung pangalawa na nagawa ko. Lumabas din to sa iba. Ito is almost mag 2 years na po to. Itong model na to, mag 2 years na po to. Ngayon lang po ako uli maglalabas. Pero ang taillight natin is integrated. So, mas matibay. So, test light natin. Sa R3 integrated test light. Yan. Oh, park light. Brake light. Signal. So integrated na po yung ano niyan, so mas matibay. Etong Z1000 matibay rin. LED ring, ano rin kasi to, integrated. Test light natin. Tapos flasher, signal, yan. So abangan nyo, today may magpapa-install nito, isa sa kagrupo natin sa Sigma Moto Elite Club, mga naunang Sigma Moto Elite Club. So ito i-install natin sa kanya, siya magiging model natin. So yan lang kayo mga tropa.
Go ahead, put your back into it. Do your thing like it ain't nothing to it. Shake, shake that ass, girl.
There you go. Yeah, throw that shit back. Throw that shit, throw that shit, throw that shit. I tell her take it to the flow. And then she bend over and yeah. Big ass booty on my lap, make a nigga so excited. She a freak when she iconic. Throw that shit back. Throw that shit, throw that shit, throw that shit. She a freak when she iconic. Throw that shit back. Throw that shit, throw that shit, throw that shit. She a freak when she iconic. Throw that shit back. Throw that shit, throw that shit, throw that shit. She a freak when she iconic. Throw that shit back. Throw that shit, throw. Bitches any different on me, it's a riot. Breaking every nigga in I walk in with my game face, my niggas get we on the same page. Hella drinks, champagne. Drop it to the floor, make that ass shake. Right chick, left chick, do the damn thing. Chick talks clap work, hashtag twerking. You ain't gotta talk when you bang it up, roll around, put your face down, and your ass up. If you want certified friend, put your hands up.
Huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe and hit the bell button for more updates. Thank you!